Hi! Haha!
This is my co-author, my grandpa, who I call Gung. He's 78 years old and moved to Canada in 1997. Follow me as I tag along on his daily adventures, highlighting the importance of social connections in his neighborhood and hey, Chinatown. How many years have you lived in this house and why do you like this neighborhood so much?
10幾年啦，住咗10幾年啦，呢度空氣多啊，係咪？左右隔離都有啲空氣啊嘛，買菜方便，飲茶方便，搭車方便，啊，近啦，實舊個都近嚇。
Do you live close to the rest of your family? We've made it to the park.
呢個細啲仔女個個都喺附近，咁咪方便啦。日日都係咁啦，係嘛？係嘛？
The funny thing is, no matter where we were, my grandpa seemed to run into someone he knew, leaving me in awkward situations, not knowing what to do. Hey Gong Gong, what kind of things do you and grandma like to do together? Around once a month, my grandpa goes on adventures with my grandma and their friends, relying on public transit to get to different places. So 去過 New West 啊，去過 Victoria 啊，全部都去過晒咯。And here's what he does on a daily basis.
飲茶咯，去買餸咯，去做運動咯。
好似今日我同你哋去飲茶咁樣，去行路咁樣。
係啊。
Sometimes when he is running errands, he also bumps into his friends.
嗰日你又睇見我哋工友啊，台用咁唔見過。
Hey, what do you do with all the vegetables you grow? 阿公公，你種咁多菜，你係儲嚟做乜嘢㗎？
分嗰啲女同埋啲朋友食咯。係啊，靚唔靚啊？好靚啊！係啊，睇下幾靚嗬。
You've been going to Chinatown for so many years. When did you start going? Was it when you first arrived to Canada?
97年啦，97年嘅加拿大就入去去童年街會館玩啦，魚山啊，咁啊塞到嗰啲空嚟咯。
What is there to do at Yusan?
打牌啊，好多人打牌、捉象棋啊，咁樣打麻雀啊，咁咯，飲咖啡啊，咁咯。
So there's a lot of people at Yusan,
係啊，以前好多人噶嘛，
but not anymore?
冇乜人啦，而家好少人噶啦。
And a big reason for this is because the members are no longer able to walk up the stairs as their place is on the third floor.
童年街邊咧，麥多利啊，嗰啲咪童人啦，多到啊，而家咪講湯啊、例酒啊。
Because you mentioned how you started to go to Yusan very early on, is it okay if we show the class your membership card?
係啊，
Indicating that you've been a member since 1998. Wow.
係啊，一九八年，係啊，到到1998年就開始預散，就入會，就落到而家啦。
Since he spends less time with his friends nowadays and spends more time with my grandma, it is still important that we find ways for him to maintain his strong social connections. As people get older or as people continue to get busy with school or work, it's harder to meet up in person. Besides regular phone calls, doing video calls on WeChat is a good alternative for you to stay connected with us so you can see our faces. And even though Chinatown is changing, and because fewer people are willing to go to Yusan because of the stairs, something you can do is visit community centers with your friends. Not only is it accessible with elevators, air conditioning, and bus stops nearby, they also offer mahjong. But through my research, I learned that they only offer mahjong every Thursday from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. at your closest location. I think a better solution is for them to split that 4 hour period into two 2 hour periods instead, making it more accessible. Through doing this project, I learned that everyone's aging experience differs, and for my Gong, my grandpa, what matters the most to him are the social connections he has formed over the years. Living so close to Chinatown, his family, and his friends bring him happiness, but also make him become the person he is today. Thank you, Gong, for being my co author.